Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve Hotmail emails in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page, sign in, and once you've successfully logged into your account, I want you to focus on your attention over here, okay? You will have all of your uh, emails in here, your inbox, sent items. What we need to look for is the deleted items over here. This folder temporarily stores emails you've removed or accidentally deleted, giving you the chance to restore them, right? Inside the deleted items folder, click on recover items, all right? Recover items deleted from this folder. Here you'll see emails that were recently purged. Simply click the box next to the image or what do you mean as the message you'll want and click on recover or restore. So you can put this back on your email. Okay. So for example, we're going to delete this. It will show up in here. And if I'm going to select this, we should have the option to restore over here. And then it should now go back to your inbox. Okay. If you don't see your email, it might already be been permanently deleted. In that case, you can contact Microsoft support for further assistance. And that's it. We have successfully retrieved your Hotmail emails. I hope you found this video very helpful.